On this video, we're going to be talking about ways to make extra money. Side hustle. 6 ways that you can make money as a side hustle. 2 of the ways out of 6 is for someone that's 12 years old and older. Isn't it amazing that someone 12 years old can make money? Number 1, my nephew he's 11. He just turned 12. He's been working with me since age 11, and he's doing videography for me. Videography for the queen. He has iPhone 13, one of the best cameras, right? I think the iPhone 15 is out now, but he has iPhone 13. He knows how to work the different programs. He knows how to work the camera when it comes to videos, when it comes to pictures. If you have an iPhone can do everything you need to do, especially at age 12, to help you with your side hustle. So what I'm saying is, my nephew, 11 years old, just turned 12. He actually does some of my videos. Actually, when I am doing a walk around on a vehicle, he actually holds the phone and does the video with me. He follows me. 12 years old, actually doing what? Making money. And what he also does is he also edits. Now, what 12-year-old do you know out there that can do videos, edit at the same time, and take pictures with their iPhone? I guess back in the day growing up myself, we didn't even know what a iPhone was. It was no such thing as an iPhone. It was no such thing as a 12-year-old using their phone to make videos and make money. So that's one way, being 12 years old, making money. Second way is, for a 12-year-old, is pet sitting or doggy daycare. You can be 12 years old and maybe your neighbor doesn't have time to take the dog out or doesn't want to take the dog to the pet hotel. Therefore, they're able to leave their pet with you, with the neighbor. Of course, the parent or the guardian or the person actually in charge of the 12-year-old would have to be in charge, but the 12-year-old is able to keep the dog overnight. But it doesn't have to be a neighbor. It can be anybody that you don't know, as long as your parent or your guardian has actually, put them through a certain test just to make sure they are who they are, because you don't want to be taking care of somebody's dog which you don't know anything about. So, you got to tune in with your parents to be able to, help you out with that part. But dog sitting, let me just say this. The easiest way to make money, you don't have to keep the dog overnight. Maybe they're gone for a whole day. Well, guess what? The dog has to go out. That's when the 12-year-old springs into action and does what? Take the dog for a walk around the block and feed the dog. So that's 2 things a 12-year-old can be doing and making money. Number 3. Personal assistant. I'm busy. I leave for work probably around 8:30 in the morning, and then I return most days around 7 or 8 o'clock at night. Now, I am a perfect candidate to have a personal assistant. Now, a personal assistant is someone that can actually run errands for you, pick up your dry cleaning. Matter of fact, they can always pick your dry cleaning up from your house, drop it off, pick it up when it's done, and then also do your grocery shopping. Having someone to do your grocery shopping and you don't have to go to the grocery store and, pick up your items. I know that they have all these delivery services now that will help you, deliver your food to your doorstep. But why not have your own personal assistant that's going to actually go pick up your groceries, bring them home, and then put your groceries in the cabinet? Another thing a personal assistant can help out is with your scheduling. What does your schedule look like? Now, your personal assistant needs to have better organization skills than what you have, because how can they assist you if they're not even organized themselves? So when you look for the qualifications for a personal assistant, just make sure they have a little bit of data entry skills. Just make sure they know about scheduling, and then also that they're organized. So let's go over this again. Personal assistant can do what? They can help you with your errands, drop off your cleaners, pick up your cleaners, make your grocery list from A to Z. But not only make your grocery list, they can go in the cabinet and see what you don't have and what you do have. Then they can also get your personal items by going to Target. And you can also pick up your food. Now, the 4th thing that you can do is having a virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant is someone that not going to be that personal assistant by doing your day-to-day activities by coming to your house. A virtual assistant, like it says, the word is virtual. They're doing things online. Maybe they're helping you with your travel booking, with your data entry, or they're providing any services that you need that are digital. That's the reason that you get a virtual assistant, to get all those tedious things done that you don't have time to do. The next one is being able just to find your niche on making extra cash as a side hustle. Well, let me give you a bonus one. Fiverr. Fiverr's out there. If you have skills, you can be online working for Fiverr. Fiverr individuals, they set up websites. They help you design the websites. They develop templates. They might even write an essay for you if you need an essay written. They may even help you develop a course. They do so many things. So what you need to do is dig deep, find out what you're good at, and then put that out there and get money. Don't be afraid to let people know you have skills, because you can get paid with your skills, with the skill level that you have. It's called a side hustle. I hope this helps, and hope you take my advice on one of the things that I offer, because you know what? It's all about making money, making extra money. It's called a side hustle.